Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about the second principle of the solid. So the second principle is a open close principle. That means class should be open for extension and should be closed for modification. That means for any new functionality we should not modify the existing class. So so let me explain this principle with the example. So for that I am creating a class, and that is a method. And we can have a different type of payment option like a credit card payment and debit card payment. Okay, I'm creating a empty method now. Debit card payment. Now suppose in the future we want to support a UPI transaction, a UPI payment. So for that we have to create one more method for the UPI. And in a similar way, for any other type of payment, we have to like modify the existing class, and we have to add a new method. That means over here we are breaking the solid design principle, because we are modifying the existing class. So that is the incorrect practice. So for that we can create an interface, and so let me create interface, and let me explain with the example. So for that I am creating one interface name can be payment. Okay, let me rename that class, otherwise we will have compile time error. Okay, and in that payment interface I can add one method. Okay, just adding one method payment. Okay, now I want to support credit card, like a credit card functionality. So I want to provide a credit card facility my client. So in that case I can create one class, and that can be a credit card, and we can implement that interface. Okay, and we can override that method. Okay, so in a similar way we can do we can provide the implementation for debit card. Debit card and UPI transaction. UPI transaction. And if and in the future if we want to add any new payment option, so for that we can just implement that interface, payment interface, and we can override that payment method, and we can provide the implementation. So in such a way we can achieve a open code principle. That means we are that class is closed for modification, and for new functionality we are just extending the feature. So that is it for open code principle. Thank you for watching the video.